Hello, how are you today? Okay, I hope all of you great and still healthy, and don't forget to stay at home. Okay? Now we learn about the new unit in Unit 6. Have you already read your book? Okay, what do you know about Unit 6? Yes. Today we learn about medicinal and ornamental plants. Next, what you will learn to do in this unit? In this unit, I want you to learn this. The first one, identify the benefits of ornamental and medicinal plants. And then the second one, explain how to care for plants. Next, the first one, we talk about benefits of plants. How can plants help humans? Okay, now I have the question. I have the two questions. The first one, what do you already know about different ways in which people use plants? Okay, what do you know? What the different ways in which people use plant? The people use plant for what? Okay, plants are useful for us such as for building materials, clothing, shade, clean air, and etc. And the second one, why is green environment a healthy environment? Okay, because plants give us oxygen and food, and then they clean air and make place beautiful. Okay, you can write this answer in your book. Okay. Next, plants are all around us. You will find them in forests, on farms, in parks and gardens, and inside homes. Plants help to make our world more beautiful. You already learned about the many uses of plants and their benefits for humans in Unit 5. Okay, next. This is the pictures of plants in a city. Now, you can look the beautiful plants near the city. And then, plants in a park. So many plants with beautiful colors and different plants here in a park. And then next, plants in a garden. So if you have a garden or yard, you can plant these plants, the colorful plants, to make your house beautiful and colorful. And then next, plants inside a home. Maybe you can put the plants in your home, maybe in your bedroom or in your living room, to make your room beautiful, look beautiful. Next, ornamental plants. Okay, people grow ornamental plants as pot plants or in the gardens because they think the plants are special or beautiful. Many ornamental plants that people all over the world value highly grow in the wild in Indonesia. Okay, have you seen any of plants shown in the picture before? Have you ever seen these plants before? Okay, do you know their names? Picture A, B, C, D. Do you know their names? Okay, I will explain one by one the names of these plants. Picture A is wild orchid. And picture B is jasmine. Picture C is tiger arum. And D is pitcher plants. Okay, now repeat together ya. A is wild orchid. B is jasmine. C is tiger arum. And D is pitcher plants. Okay, now you already know the names of this picture. Next, you can open your book page 109. It's still in 109 ya. And then, I want you to take your pencil or pen and do this exercise. Match your Indonesian plants above to their names below. And then, write the letter of each picture next to the correct name below. Okay, I have already have 4 the names of this plant. Then number 1 is wild orchid, 2 is pitcher plant, 3 is jasmine, and 4 is tiger arum or tiger arum ya. Oh, and then I want you to write the letter wild orchid. What the letter of this wild orchid? A, B, C, or D? Good job, A. And then pitcher plants. What's the picture of pitcher plants? A, B, C, or D? A already here, yeah? So B, C, or D? D, good job. And then jasmine, B or C? Good, B. And tiger arum, the last letter is C. Good job. Finish. Now to the next question. Buddy wants to give his mother a plant that smells nice for her birthday. So Buddy wants to give his grandmother plants for her birthday. Number 1. Which of the plants above can he get her? Nah, okay, good job, Jasmine. Good job. And then number 2, which of the plants above will help to catch insect in your kitchen? Good. Pitcher plants. Okay, next. Now to the medicinal plants in page 110. In traditional Indonesian culture, medicinal plants were used to treat illness and disease before the days of modern medicine. Many people still use these plants today. What plants are they? Okay, now we will learn together. Scientists are now discovering that they can use the healing properties of many plants to make new medicines. Okay, this is the plants or medicinal plants in Indonesia. Okay, maybe in another country have this, but we talk about in Indonesia culture. Okay, have you seen these plants before? Do you know their names? From number 1, 2, 3, and 4. What the picture of number 1? Good job, tamarind. Okay, tamarind. And number 2 is sweet basil. Sweet basil. And number 3 is aloe vera. Good. And number 4 is common in Indonesian medicine. What is this? Okay, good job, ginger. This is some traditional medicinal plants. We have tamarind, sweet basil, aloe vera, and ginger. Nah, You remember the number, yeah? Okay, next. In exercise number 1 and next, in still page 110, we match the picture of the medicinal plants above to their names below, and then write the number of each picture next to the correct names. Okay, aloe vera. What number of aloe vera? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Good job, 3. And how about ginger? 1, 2, or 4? Good. Oh, tamarind first. Okay, sorry, tamarind for number 1. And then ginger. Ginger for number 4. And then the last number is? Good job, 2. Good job. And then complete the sentences just from this word. I already have 3 words: illnesses, moderns, and healing. Number 1. Traditional medicine is older than blah 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 medicines. Okay, older and modern. Good job. And then ginger can treat blah 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 like colds and flu. Illnesses. Okay, good job. And the last one is healing. Some plants have healing properties. Good job. Give applause for us. Yay. And then next, celebrating our plant's heritage. Okay. As Indonesians, we are proud of our rich plant's heritage. This means we want to protect our natural plants. We also want to protect the knowledge about using these plants for food, medicines, buildings, and so on. These pictures show some ways in which we celebrate our plant heritage. The first one, protecting the rainforest in Gunung Leuser National Park. In these pictures, talk about forest plants or trees are habitat or home for endangered animals such as orangutan, or maybe tiger, or maybe rhinoceros, and etc. The endangered animal or rare animals. And then the second one's eating ketupat or ketupat means dumpling made from rice baked inside a woven palm leaf pouch. Nah, ketupat is a traditional Indonesian dish. And then the third picture is having beautiful gardens at national monuments. We call these monuments is Monas in Jakarta. Plants are important in celebration of our heritage. Okay, next, caring for plants. Plants get nutrients from humus in the soil. Or humus ya ini. Plants get nutrients from humus in the soil. Humus is made up of rotting leaves and dead plants, insect and animal parts. Humus is light. It is full of air, so roots grow easily in it. Now, I have two questions. You can look this picture. In picture 1, I have the question. What will happen to these dead plants, fruit and vegetable scraps and grass clippings? What will they become? What do you know about this picture? And you can explain in your own word. Okay, I will explain ya. The dead plants and fruit and vegetable scraps and grass clipping will become compost. Compost means nutrient-rich plant foods. And then, why is the man putting dried grass clipping on his plants? Why this man tried grass clipping on his plants? Yeah, The man is putting these things on his plant to give the plants the nutrients they need and to stop the plants from drying out. To stop the plants from drying out. Now, making compost means turning waste from plants such as food scraps and garden cutting into nutrient-rich plant food. Now, okay, you already know about benefits plants for human and celebrating our plant heritage and about medicinal and ornamental plants, and now about compost. Okay, for your homework, I have already prepared the homework in file PDF. In PDF file, you can look at the assignment, and then don't forget to scan or photo of your work, and don't forget to submit in Google Classroom on time based on the schedule. I have the schedule for your homework, and don't be late, yeah? Okay, today is all for this lesson, and see you on the next week's. Bye bye.